Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you what to do in a minor car accident. If you've been in a minor car accident, there are specific things that you should be doing. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to go over 6 things that you should do. Now these are fairly in order, but the order might be changed depending on the specific accident. But all 6 of them should be done regardless of the order, but I tried to keep them in a decent order. Number 1 is stop. Don't keep driving. I know that when you get into a minor accident, sometimes people are tempted to just keep driving. They're like, oh, very little damage, let's just keep moving. Don't do that. It's not only illegal in most places, but it's horribly immoral. Just stop the car and don't keep driving. You really don't know what the whole situation is until you get out of the car. So stop the car, don't keep driving. That's the first thing. The second thing is you should report the accident to whomever you have to report it to. Now, in most places, you're gonna have to call the police to report the accident. In some places, you're gonna have to call a specific accident number, but report it to whoever you have to report it to. I would recommend reporting it right away. This way, they know the time in which the accident has happened. Now, in a minor accident, we're assuming that there are no injuries, right? So I'm making that assumption. If there is an injury, obviously take care of the injury first. But with a minor accident, I'm just gonna go under the assumption that everyone is okay, and it was just a tiny little fender bender, just barely a hit, a minor accident. So when you call to report the accident, they're going to know the time in which it happened based on when you call. So that's why I say call, fairly soon. But obviously, like I said, if there's a medical need, take care of that right away. Number 3 is take some pictures. In fact, take a lot of pictures. You want to take pictures from all angles of the accident site. Take pictures in the roads going in all of the directions, just so you have all of the proof of what happened. Because as soon as you move those cars, which will be the next step, the pictures, you're not going to have proof of what happened. But by taking all of these pictures, like take a lot of pictures, 50 pictures, 100 pictures in all different directions and different areas and so forth. And then, then you can move the cars, which is step number 4. Move the cars off of the road. I'm assuming the cars are drivable because it's a minor accident that we're talking about. So move them off the road. Like, just take them, get them off the road. It's as simple as that. You don't want to ruin the days of hundreds or thousands of other people because your car is taking up a lane when you can simply move it onto a side street or into a parking lot. The 5th thing is you want to exchange information. Now, this is very important. You want to have their information and they should have your information just in case anything happens. I mean, most of the time, you just need to give the information to your insurance company. Most of the time, it's even just your own information, depending on where you live. But you should exchange information because let's say, looks like it's a minor accident, then all of it, looks like it's just you got rear-ended and it looks like just a little dent in the bumper, but all of a sudden your trunk doesn't open 5 days later. Maybe it's related to the accident. Maybe you want to speak to the person about that. Exchange information. There's really no downside to having their information or them having yours. Last but not least, the 6th thing that you should do in terms of a minor accident is call your insurance company. When you call your insurance company, you want to report the accident and you want to see if you want to go through a claim. Now, you might have to go through a claim and then you're going to have to figure out your deductible and see your coverage and tell them what happened and give them the report, the police report, the accident report, and all of that stuff. But generally speaking, call your insurance company, let them know what happened, and see what the next steps are. It all depends on your insurance company and where you live, but the next steps are going to be something, and you have to figure out what those steps are. And that's it. In this video, I've told you what to do in a minor accident. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.